Leena was an ordinary girl, living in a quiet, little village surrounded by mountains. Every day after school, she would sit by her window and stare at the towering peaks in the distance, wondering what mysteries they held. Leena had always dreamed of climbing the mountains, but no one in the village had ever dared to go that far. One summer morning, Leena woke up with a sense of adventure bubbling inside her. "Today's the day," she said to herself, packing her small backpack with some food, water, and a notebook to jot down her discoveries. Without telling anyone, she set off toward the mountains, determined to see what lay beyond. The path was steep, and the sun was hot, but Leena was determined. After hours of hiking, she reached a place where the air felt fresher, cooler, and the view was incredible. But that's when Leena saw something truly extraordinary, a hidden valley she had never seen before, even though she had lived in the village her whole life. The valley was filled with flowers of every color imaginable, some that glowed like stars in the daylight. There was a crystal clear lake in the center, and the trees were taller than any she had ever seen. Leena sat down by the lake, feeling amazed. As she looked around, she noticed something else, a small stone with strange markings on it. She pulled out her notebook and started drawing the markings, feeling like she had discovered something ancient and important. Before long, the sun began to set, and Leena knew she had to head back. When Leena returned, everyone was shocked to hear about her discovery. No one had ever known about the hidden valley, and the stone she found was unlike anything anyone had ever seen. Leena became the talk of the village, and her bravery inspired others to explore beyond what they thought was possible. From that day on, Leena became known as the girl who wasn't afraid to follow her dreams, and the hidden valley became a place of wonder for everyone.